Chapter 1. Introduction. Cutting through hype. Finding signals. In the crypto world, information is everything. The line between a life-changing investment and a devastating loss is often drawn by the quality of your research. We are constantly told to do your own research. DYOR. But what does that really mean? For many, it means scrolling through Twitter, watching hype videos, and trying to guess which influencer is telling the truth. That's not research. That's walking through a hall of mirrors. Welcome back to Hyra Deep Dive. Today, we will lift the veil of secrecy. This is not another video about Hyra's technology. This is a masterclass on how to research that technology like a professional analyst. We will build a complete toolkit for you, from official foundational sources to advanced on-chain analytics tools that help track smart money flows. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a systematic framework to cut through noise, find signals, and make your own informed decisions about the Hyra ecosystem and any other project in the crypto world. This is one of the most important videos you will watch. Chapter 2. Level 1. Foundational Truth. Official Sources. All professional research starts at the source. This is Level 1. Foundational Truth, where we get information directly from the project team, unfiltered by outside opinions. Tool number 1. Official website and white paper. The first stop is always the project's official website. We look for professionalism, clarity, and easy access to core documents. Here, you will find the white paper. This is the foundational document. When reading it, you are not just reading marketing. You are looking for answers to 3 key questions. 1. What problem are they solving? Is it a real problem? 2. What is their unique solution? How is their technology different? 3. What is the token utility? How does the Hyra token fit into the ecosystem? Does it accumulate value? A good white paper will clearly answer these questions. Tool number 2. Official blog. Announcements. Must-see. This is where you find official, verified news. Partnerships, roadmap updates, technical upgrades. If it's not announced here, it's not confirmed. This is your defense against rumors. Tool number 3. GitHub repository. Now here's a pro-level tip. You don't need to be a developer to use GitHub. Think of it as the project's construction site. By accessing Hyra's public GitHub, you can see development activity. Are developers consistently committing, uploading new code? A project with regular, consistent activity is a healthy project. A project with no activity for months is a red flag. Tool number 4. Official social media channels. Discord, Twitter, /X. This is where you interact with the community and get real-time updates. Twitter is for broad announcements. Discord is for deep, nuanced discussions with the team and community. Pro tip. Use these channels to ask the tough questions you formed while reading the white paper. The quality of the team's answers can tell you a lot. And always watch out for scammers in your direct messages. Chapter 3. Level 2. Listening to social media. Sentiment analysis. Once we have the facts from official sources, we move to Level 2. Understanding what the broader market thinks and feels about the project. This is listening to social media. Tool number 5. Advanced search on Twitter, X. A simple search for Hyra will give you a wall of noise. Filter it. I'll show you how to use advanced search operators. For example, searching Hyra or Hyra Network, Lang, IN, giveaway. AirDrop will give you English posts about Hyra while filtering out tons of spam about giveaways and airdrops. This helps you find genuine conversations and analysis. Tool number 6. Social analytics platforms. Services like Lunar Crush or Sentiment track crypto projects across all social media platforms, showing a hypothetical dashboard for Hyra. They provide powerful metrics such as social volume. How much is the project being talked about? Is it trending up or down? Sentiment score. Is the conversation positive or negative? These tools give you a quantitative view of market sentiment, helping you see beyond your own social media bubble. Tool number 7. Community forums, Reddit, etc. Searching Hyra network on relevant subreddits like r/DYOR cryptocurrency can uncover candid, unfiltered opinions from real users. This is a great place to find critical feedback and potential issues you won't see on official channels. Chapter 4. Level 3. On-chain analysis, following the money. This is Level 3. This is where the most sophisticated analysts gain their edge, because you can't fake data on the blockchain. Now we follow the money. Tool number 8. Block Explorer, Hyra Scan. A block explorer is the public ledger for the entire network. Let's look up the Hyra token contract. The first thing we check is the Holders tab. This shows us token distribution. Is 90% of the supply held by the top 10 wallets? That could be a major red flag for centralization and price manipulation. A healthy distribution is spread across thousands of holders. We can also use the Explorer to track specific wallets. For example, we can monitor known whale wallets or the team's treasury wallet to see if they are accumulating more Hyra or selling it off. Tool number 9. On-chain data platforms, Nansen, Arkham, etc. These platforms are the secret weapons of professional analysts. They take raw data from the Block Explorer and turn it into actionable intelligence. Showing a hypothetical Nansen dashboard for Hyra. Let's look at some key metrics. Exchange flows. Is a large amount of Hyra moving off exchanges into personal wallets? This is usually a bullish signal, indicating investors are preparing to hold long-term HODL. If Hyra is flowing onto exchanges, it may signal holders are preparing to sell. Smart money tracking. These platforms label wallets belonging to highly profitable traders or funds as smart money. We can see if these smart wallets are buying or selling Hyra, giving us clues about what the most successful market participants are doing. Staking data. We can see in real time what percentage of the total Hyra supply is staked. A consistently rising staked token amount is a strong sign of long-term holder confidence. This on-chain data provides the ultimate financial truth, cutting through all social sentiment and marketing. Chapter 5. Conclusion, your research framework. So let's summarize it all. Your professional research process should look like this. 1. Level 1. Foundational truth. Start with official documents to understand what the project says it is. 2. Level 2. Sentiment. Use social listening tools to understand what the market thinks it is. 3. Level 3. Financial truth. Use on-chain analysis to see what investors are actually doing with their money. By following this structured framework and using this toolkit, you can elevate your research from a hobby to a profession. You will be able to make data-driven and conviction-based decisions, not ones based on hype and fear. What is your number one can't live without research tool? Share it in the comments below and let's help each other become smarter investors. If this guide was helpful, please like and subscribe. In our next video, we will kick off a comparison series with a big showdown. Hyra versus Render Network. You won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching.